Welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio.
Well, hello, everyone. Welcome to another empowering episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. I'm your host, Molle Dorst, and today we're going to dive headfirst into the transformative world of video marketing. But wait, this episode is specifically tailored to you, the impact-focused entrepreneurs. If you're passionate about making a positive impact in the world and you want your message to reach and resonate with as many people as possible, then this episode is just for you.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle Dorst, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
Let's start with a fundamental question. What is video marketing? And why does it even matter in the first place? Okay, yeah, that was a secondary bonus question. But in a nutshell, video marketing is the use of video to promote or market your brand, your product, or your service. But as impact-focused entrepreneurs, we know it's so much more than that. It's a powerful tool for storytelling and making connections, and most importantly, for driving change. You see, video marketing offers a unique blend of visual, what we see, auditory, what we hear, and emotional elements. That's where storytelling comes in. It's not just about what you say, it's how you say it. And it's about showing the tangible change you're bringing through your business. Remember, the most compelling videos aren't the ones with the highest production value, but the ones with the most authentic, engaging, and impactful stories. So don't worry if you don't have the latest camera or editing software. What matters most is your message and how it aligns with your mission and resonates with your audience. I hear you in the back there. You're asking, how do you get started? Well, first you need to identify your why, what impact you are aiming to create. Then you want to consider your audience. Think about what kind of content they would find valuable and inspiring. Then you start planning your video. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect. Start somewhere. It just needs to be you. And finally, share it far and wide. And let me tell you, the results can be phenomenal. When you harness the power of video marketing, you're not just going to see an increase in sales. You're going to see an increase in so much more because you're inspiring action, you're driving change, and you're making a lasting impact. So as we wrap up today, I want you to think about how your own impact-focused business is working. I want you to think deeply about it. I want you to think about how you can leverage video marketing to amplify your mission and make an even bigger difference in the world. That's it for today, Visibility Hackers. Remember, you have a story worth telling, a mission worth sharing, and an impact worth amplifying. So press record and let the world see your vision. Until next time, remember I love you. Be excellent to each other.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.